Schönen Urlaub. Schönen Urlaub. Have a beautiful holiday.
Maybe move a few things a bit more out of the way. Okay, let's see what we have here. I guess we have all the usual manuals. Let's get this cover out of the way. It looks like this was from the notes I got from the seller, something that was originally a European kit. That's fine, I'll put this away and save it for maybe a retirement to Europe, who knows? But yeah, this is great. Came with the little starter set. I've seen these go for $250. And then in addition, you get the extra little freight cars, all this track. I don't think any of this was actually used. I think just the track in here. But hey, I'll take it. Yeah, so basically choose your language. Here's the important part though. Comes with the extra track in addition to the normal little starter loop. But yeah, what a great find. This could basically be another eBay bonus segment, but I'll get into this one because this is a little repair I had to make. I love this kit. I got it originally because I was interested in all of the vintage freight cars, but it was my introduction to the BR55. Now it's one of my favorites. Go figure. So this little guy was great right out of the box, but it had one issue. The lights came on, but nobody was home. So I poked around at it a bit. Of course, it had the traditional dim incandescent bulb. I wired up another one of my little hot LEDs, stuck it in there. The comm looked great. The brushes actually looked fine. I cleaned them up a bit, but the issue ended up being this solder joint right here. It was basically broken. Wasn't making much for contact, so I just touched a tiny bit of solder here. We were in business. That was the fix. Super simple. So love this thing. It's easy to put on the track. Doesn't have anything fiddly to line up. You just set the 4 axles on the track. It does have a tender. What are you going to do? I would love a tank version of something like this. I don't know if one exists. I'll have to start scanning the Marklin catalog, because when you're fiddling around in the darkness trying to keep your layout dark and you want to get something on the track quickly and you don't have handy one of these guys, or you can't figure out how to get this on the track either in the dark, one of these goes right on and you're in business. And it runs like a champ. It's heavy and it sounds delicious.